I'm going to fit a set of engine bars to my Yamaha Tracer 900 GT 2019 model. Pretty standard thing to do, but there you have the engine bars and all the pieces that came with, some spacers, spacer washers, some bolts, and a long threaded bar. We'll see if we need that or we can reuse the one that's on. You're going to have the same around here, so you're going to loosen these off to start with your Allen key, and then use your extension down below here as well. And if you look, you can actually see where the threaded bar comes through. So we'll just be taking the threaded bar off, pulling it out here and sliding it back through again. So when you're doing this, you'll just want to push the brake down a little bit just to move it out of the way, and like that. Okay, and loosen off. I've pre-loosened it just for the video, but you can see there I can just screw off. So I've just tapped it out using a screwdriver. Just make sure that your brake's pushed down, and on the far side when you start tapping, make sure that your clutch is also pushed down out of the way, otherwise the bar is going to come out and bend your clutch. Okay, so I'm going to remove the Allen key nuts. See here and here, and I'm going to try with the existing bar. It might be a bit short. If it is, I can then just take it out and retry, because this one's fully threaded. I prefer the thread. So that's one side on there with the deep washer here, middle size washer here, and I've used the existing bar to thread through. Now I might have enough purchase and I might not. I might have to replace that again, but anyway, that's what it's going to look like. So I swapped the original bar for the threaded bar, which came with the equipment that I bought. So you can see here, this is it coming through now. It's sticking out a little bit, but it's causing no problems at all, because once I get it tightened on and get the nut on, just a little bit coming out. If I really want, I can cut some off later, but I'm happy enough with it as it is. So that's the engine bars fitted. It took me about an hour. You can see used the new bar, so I was tempted and tried to use the existing bar, but it was just a little bit short, ever so short, about 3 threads. So if you look around, I'll show you in a sec, it sticks out a little bit, but everything's on there nice and tight. Yeah, spacers in, large spacer at the back.